Daimler AG has more than 130 years experience, tradition and innovation building the best and most beautiful cars in the world.
We are 3 purchasing units, the car purchasing, the truck group and the non-production material. Those are making the new procurement system. The old system was outdated, both from a functional perspective and also from the IT perspective.
Our IT strategy is speed, being fast for the customer. This is one of the reasons why we choose Azure, because you're extremely fast in terms of getting hardware ready for the system.
Within IT and the business decided to go to the cloud. We took the best available components on the market. So Icertis for awarding and sourcing components, and we put this together with Infosys in the SAP landscape for all the procurement processes. I was confident from the first minute that this will be successful with Microsoft and the Azure cloud.
We realized that the new procurement system needed a lot of speed and agile way of working to deliver the customer experience. Azure not only gives an infrastructure which was very robust and scalable, but it was delivered with high speed and agility.
Only 3 months later, we kicked off the first functionalities within the SAP landscape. With a project at this scale and this size, it would have taken many months longer on-premise.
SAP on HANA coupled with the Azure infrastructure is extremely secure and reliable, so we believe that the stack will stand the test of time.
And now the big topic is disaster recovery, which means if the infrastructure is gone, we just run those scripts in Azure and the infrastructure is built up on another site, let's say in North Europe. We are saving 40 to 50% of the infrastructure costs Azure compared to the regular data center costs.
At the end, around 4,500 buyers will use NPS. Around 60% of $160 billion is handled with NPS. That's a big chunk of money. And a big chunk of responsibility. This is the pioneering project with this size of infrastructure, with this system, with this awesome team that we have here, with the spirit that we have here. That motivates me every day, and we see the results in the user's experience.